Hello friends, Keshia H here. I am coming to you today with an unboxing. I won a gift over at Keeping Up with the Griffins. And Keeping Up with the Griffins is a lovely channel, a family-oriented channel, a family of 5, Joe, Christy, J3, Kylie, and Drew. So they had a game night, and I was in that game, and I won a prize. And so I received the package, and it did not just arrive, but I have had it a few days, and so I have opened the package, but not truly unboxed it. So I am unboxing that now and wanted to share that with you guys, and also to just let everyone know and let the Griffins know that I have received that, and to just thank them, and to also, you know, let you guys know that I appreciate the Griffins and that they are an awesome channel, and to ask you guys to reach out to them and to connect if you're not already connected, and see what they're all about. Again, they are a family-oriented channel. They do mukbangs, they do games, they do challenges, couples trips, couples games, travel. They do a lot of different things, but mostly family-oriented things. And one of the most popular things that they have become known for over the Christmas holiday is the Grinch. And Drew, the youngest and newest member of the Griffin clan, is the boss baby, and he is taking over and leading the way. But I love the Griffins. I hope you will love the Griffins. I hope you will reach out to the Griffin family and connect with them and join their community as well. So I will again ask you to reach out to them. So I am going to go ahead and open this package because I am super excited for this package that I did receive. I know what's in the box, but now I'm going to share with you what is in the box. So stay tuned. So it is a rather big box, okay? And it was sent via U.S. Postal Service, okay? I have removed the labeling, and I'm gonna slide it over just a bit here. And so what I have here is a portable mini fridge, and it is a Live Up Tech in Style hot and cold thermoelectric system. It keeps cool or warm at home and on the go. So I can take this with me wherever I may want to go. I can keep it in my minivan. Yes, I do have a mommy minivan that I adore, and I also can keep it, you know, on the go. So my plan was that I could either take it with me when traveling, or I could put it in my greenhouse. And so, or I could even put this in, you know, my bathroom for toiletries that may need to be kept cool, like different things. So anyway, this is the portable mini fridge, okay? And I think I set up the camera so that you can read it appropriately. It's not turned and inverted. So I did want to open it up on camera with you guys, okay? So that you could see it. And I had scissors here somewhere, and now I don't see them. Of course I don't see them while I'm on camera. So, but it just has these little sticky things here. So I've been drinking my green tea, and it does promote nail growth. So if that is something that you're interested in getting your nails to grow, green tea does help with that. It helps me with my nail growth. In addition to collagen, also helps with nail growth. So I am unboxing though. I am not talking about health and beauty and internal wellness. So the package is, the box is packaged very well. So it does have this styrofoam inside of it. So it does have this styrofoam inside of the box. It's in this plastic. There is another level of styrofoam inside of the box. And the box does let you see here the number of different ways that you can use it, whether it be at home, like in your bedroom, or in your home office, or you can take it on the road with you, like I said, in my mommy van, or you can take it if you're, out on a boat, or if you're traveling, because it is small enough to fit in a big size backpack. And then if you're camping outside or in a greenhouse, right? So I am going to open this up out of the plastic. So this is something, so I have not opened this part up. So this is my first time actually taking it out of the box here. So this is what it looks like out of the box. It is rather small, right? So it would not be a lot that you could put into it, but just enough, right? So, and it has a little door here, right? So it has a little door here that you can open and close, and it has items inside of it, and it looks like it has a little door. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. So it has an adapter, so it has a cord for the adapter. And so this would be one that you would have that you could use at home, that you would plug into your outlet at home, right? Into the outlet in the home, the electrical outlet in the home. And this one here would be the one that you would plug into the car on the go, okay? That you would plug into the lighter outlet of your vehicle. And these two would be the ones that would plug into the back of the device, right? So they do have two different ones, right? So you have the AC adapter, which is the round one that you would use at home, right, for this outlet. So the round ones for the AC, and I should know what AC means, and once I read the instructions it'll tell me. But this AC adapter here, and then you have the DC adapter here, which is this square one, right? And it fits in here in the back, okay? So you have two different outlets here that you can use. And again, on the back as well, it shows you whether you can switch it from cold to hot, as well as to turn it off. And you have your indicators, whether it's cold or hot indicators, okay? So that's very good. And the voltage, when you have it on the power inside, is different. So when it's on inside on electric power, it can be up to 100 volts to 110 volts. And on the DC power in the car, it gets up to 12 volts, okay? So that is very important, as well as there is a user manual that comes with it. Not a lot of instructions, but this is very important to read. I am very, very good about reading instructions before I do anything, and hopefully it is very user-friendly and will make perfect sense to me when I do read it, so that I don't make any mistakes and blow anything up, because we don't want to blow anything up, right? So it does have the user manual. It looks like there is an additional language here. I'm not sure what that language is, but there is an additional language with the instructions that tells you how to go about setting up the device, okay? So I will make sure that I follow suit and read this before taking care of that. There is also a product registration that comes with the item. So it tells you to register it and that you can do so in 30 seconds. So that is also a wonderful thing, to be able to register the product in less than 30 seconds that you can do that. Okay, so I will also be registering it. Also connected with several other brands, so you do have it connected to Everlast, Bliss, Track, Purify, Frigidaire, Wizzy, and Trims. And that is, I can't read that. That is too tiny, and I do not have my glasses on. So anyway, we do have 2 pieces of documentation that comes in there. One that is to register the product, and this one is the user manual. So we will keep both of those pieces of information. So again, in the doorway, opening it up, you see inside of the device that you go inside. And so my hand is not very big, so it's not quite my hand depth inside, but definitely about just a hand's height. And you have this one little doorway handle. Okay, and again, I'm holding it by the little top handle here. It comes with this little thing here that you can put in the doorway. I think I don't know what you would put in the doorway, but this looks like it goes down into the doorway, that you can put something there. Don't know what you would put in there. And then here is a little shelving that you would put inside of the fridge, right? Yeah. I think this goes inside. Yeah, so that goes inside to give you shelving inside the refrigerator. And I could have brought out a couple of sodas to put in there. Maybe I'll do that in just a second to show you about the sizing of that. I don't really keep sodas in the house. I have a couple of ginger ales that I use for mixing with my drinks, but it is very, very cute, right? So like I have an empty water bottle, or halfway empty water bottle here, so just for approximation, right? So here's a halfway empty 16-ounce water bottle. So just holding this water bottle here, you would perhaps, without the shelving, you would be able to put in maybe 4 water bottles. So put in 2 would not, so 4 water bottles would not fit in there. 2 would fit comfortably and the door would close. 4 water bottles would not fit inside of here. So 4 16-ounce water bottles would not fit because the door would not close. Oh, well, it would close. I would just have to push it closed, and it doesn't look like it would pop open. Okay, so 4 water bottles would fit inside. Okay, 4 water bottles would fit inside of that on either side. So I did the 2 on that side and 2 in the back. So 2 front and 2 side to side. So 4 water bottles would fit inside of that. Okay, and then again you have the shelving space for it as well. Okay, so I love it. I love it. I love it. And I'm not sure if you can see inside of it. No, you cannot see inside of it because this is not see-through. Again, still not sure what you could put in here. Not sure what you could put in there. So maybe some ketchup packets. But anyway, just wanted to share with you guys my gift, that my prize and gift that I won from Keeping Up with the Griffins. A giveaway from them, a mini fridge. And this is it. This is my unboxing. So thank you so much, Joe and Christy, J3, Kylie, and Drew. I appreciate you, and I appreciate the gift. I appreciate all the love that you guys show all the time. So I would just like to say thank you so much. So again, if you have not already done so, please make sure that you connect to Keeping Up with the Griffins and follow them. They are a wonderful channel. And also, if you're not connected to me, if you're not connected to Keshia H, please make sure you run over and do so. Click the subscribe button, click the like button. Make sure that you leave a comment. I love the comments. I love interacting in the comments all the time. I do try to stay caught up with those now. Thank you, Liz. And so if you make sure that you connect to everyone. And I would also ask you, friends, if you will please remember to be kind to yourselves, be kind to one another, because that is so critical in this day and age. If we could just all try to get along, we don't have to agree at all times with one another. We don't have to all have the same opinions on everything, but to just be kind to one another, to be kind to ourselves, right? And to treat others as we would have them to treat us. It goes a long way. It goes a very, very long way. So just be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. And I just ask you to have a blessed and beautiful day. And I will see you guys in the next one. So thank you so much for joining me. And again, thank you Keeping Up with the Griffins for the lovely gift. I appreciate you. I love you. And I will see you guys in the next one.